Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, November 23rd, 2023. Let's take a look at the daily time frame chart of the Bitcoin to Euro at Zondacrypto. It is obvious that this market is in the uptrend since the level of let's say roughly 15,230. So from that level we already advance. If we take the price range button, let's say from this low we already advance over 133%. So that's the percentage gain since the lows. This is the end of the 2022, like just as 1 week before 2022 had been completed. So 133%. We are still making higher highs. As you can see here, we are still making higher lows, and just recently we've been consolidating around this level of 35,000. Let's just take a look here a little bit closer. I will remove the percentage gain and just zoom into the recent price action. So what do we have here is this kind of a movement. As you can see, there is a strong battle between bulls and bears. Bulls are trying to go up, but then they were capped at certain level. Then they try again, they are capped again. Big pin bar here always means that at the end of the move some traders already either partial close or wholly close the position, the trading positions, and I mean bulls, which means of course the long positions, or basically the bears entered the market in a big way. So they sell the highs towards the level of 33,500. Nevertheless, we're still trying to bounce higher. Very nice pattern here. Yesterday all day was down. Sorry, 2 days ago all day was down. Yesterday the day was up. Very nice pattern here. Nevertheless, what's the situation here is not that clear. So we are still fighting. Up and down. What we can definitely mark are the horizontal levels. So the swing highs will act as the technical resistances, roughly around 35,600. There is a technical resistance and the swing high. What else do we have here? We have some supports, 32,458, and one more technical support. It might be located a little bit lower. It's always much more safer to place the technical support a little bit lower, 32,058, and the last one might be located at this level here, 31,631. Basically, that's the key technical support in the short term. Any violation of this level would extend the potential drop lower below the level of 30,000. There's one more interesting line we can add to this chart, and this line is of course the trend line. As you can see, very sleek looking trend line. Market respects this trend line plenty of times. Look at these bounces here. So the market recognizes this trend line, market respects this trend line. It might be wise to keep an eye on the current situation with the trend line, because it looks like the market wants to continue this kind of a behavior. So every time we hit the trend line, the market will eventually bounce sooner or later. So as long as we trade above the trend line, as long as the market recognizes this trend line, then of course the situation is in favor of a bulls, because the market keeps pushing this prices higher and higher, and this trend line will be then used as the dynamic technical support. So where are the intraday technical resistances? We can make more levels here, but I don't want to place too many. I think that the yesterday's high at 34,812 would be a nice intraday technical resistance. One more technical resistance might be seen here, just a little bit higher, roughly around this level here, 35,145. So any breakout above these two levels might be considered bullish. Of course, where is the next target for bulls? The next target for bulls is very obvious, because it is the round level, of 40,000 euro. So let's just do this, and that's our target, 40,000 euro. Why this round number? Because it's a round number, so it will act as the magnet for the price, and because it's basically a psychological number. And plenty of the traders will eventually close partially or close the whole position when this level is hit. We can even make it a little bit thicker so everyone can see it. There you go. This is a big thick line, 40,000 euros for one Bitcoin. As long as the dips are being bought, most likely around the dynamic support provided by this trend line, the outlook remains bullish. However, the market conditions are eventually slightly overbought right now. Nevertheless, there is still room to the upside on the Bitcoin to euro, and we should expect a continuation of the up move soon. That's everything for me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.